What's going on, guys? Welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So the Yongnuo 50mm f1.8 is known to be the cheapest 50mm lens on the market, being almost more than half the price under the Canon 50mm, but having almost identical specs on paper. Is it worth getting this? Hey guys, welcome to the third episode of Is It Worth It? Today we will be reviewing the Yongnuo 50mm and putting it against the stock lens of the 250D. This is kind of an unfair comparison, but if you're new to the market and looking for an extra budget lens to get, this comparison is for you. Firstly, let's discuss the specs of the 50mm. The lens is made up of plastic and feels very cheap as it weighs about 120 grams. The aperture range of the lens is from f1.8 to f22. It does come with both auto and manual focus. There's also a switch on the lens to switch between manual and auto. The autofocus on this lens is something to discuss about as it can be inconsistent at times and it also struggles to find the subject in low light. It's also slow and loud, but once it does focus on the image, it's really sharp and finds a good contrast. It has a filter size of 52mm. This lens also supports both APS-C and full frame DSLRs. That's all about the specification of the lens. Now let's see it in action against the stock 18 to 55mm lens. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Final verdict peeps, if you're a beginner and want to take your photography or videography to the next level, I would recommend this Yongnuo lens. As for the price, it's quite unbeatable in today's market. Having an aperture at f1.8 results in beautiful bokeh, which no lens can offer at this price. So if you're a beginner to the DSLR world and want to upgrade from your stock lens, I would recommend this lens as it is worth it. If you have an APS-C camera, you can shoot great portraits with this lens, and if you have a full frame camera, it will be a fun lens to try out that does not require that much effort to obtain great bokeh results. That is all from me peeps. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it, so please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.